We're sharing quick and powerful ways to save money no matter where you're starting from. Let's face it, saving can be tough. We all know the feeling of looking at our bills and feeling overwhelmed, but it's also one of the most rewarding habits you can build. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a financial cushion. With a few smart changes to your daily routine and spending habits, you can start saving effectively. It's not just about cutting back, it's about making informed choices. By setting realistic goals and sticking to them, you can feel confident about your financial future. Remember, every little bit counts, and over time, those small savings can add up to something significant. First, set specific goals. Whether you're saving for a vacation, an emergency fund, or investing, knowing why you're saving will keep you motivated. Write it down and track your progress to stay on course. One of the easiest ways to save is by automating it. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account every payday. This way, saving becomes effortless and you won't be tempted to spend that money. Impulse buys can sneak up on us, often catching us off guard when we least expect it. But with a little bit of planning and mindfulness, we can significantly reduce these spontaneous purchases. Next time you feel the urge to buy something on a whim, try waiting 24 hours before making the purchase. This simple strategy can be incredibly effective. During this waiting period, take the time to review your shopping list and evaluate whether the item is truly necessary. This gives you a chance to consider if it's really worth it and helps cut down on unnecessary spending. You might find that the initial excitement fades and you no longer feel the need to buy it. This practice not only saves money, but also promotes more thoughtful and intentional shopping habits. When you're paying with cash, you're more aware of what you're spending. Try using cash for small purchases and see how much you can save just by being mindful of each dollar. From grocery shopping to online purchases, take advantage of discounts, loyalty programs, and cashback apps. These tools help you save money on things you're already buying. Remember, saving is about small, consistent steps. Even tiny changes can lead to big results over time. At Invest Young, we're here to support your journey to financial freedom. Start today and watch your savings grow. Think about the little things you can do every day. Maybe it's skipping that daily coffee shop visit and brewing your own at home, or perhaps it's cutting down on dining out and cooking more meals yourself. These small adjustments can add up significantly over the months and years. Use tools like budgeting apps to track your progress and stay motivated. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small they seem. Every penny saved is a step closer to your financial goals. Invest Young is committed to providing you with the resources and guidance you need. Start small, stay consistent, and see the big impact on your savings. Invest Young, building your future one smart choice at a time.